To the Kelly's Family Kitchen. Today we're going to make tortas. And to do that, we're going to start off with 1 1/4 cup of sugar. One cup of olive oil, but you could use regular oil. And we're going to cream this together. Alright, now that that's good mixed up, we're going to add 8 egg yolks. And we're going to cream them together and get it good mixed up. Alright, so now we're going to add 2 cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to mix that on low speed. Now we're going to add 1 cup of whole milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright, so now all we're going to do is cup this out. Now we got it all mixed up. We're going to put it in the oven, 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Alright, look like when they're done. And all we're going to do now is get a little sugar and we're going to sprinkle it on top like that right there. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. And look at there. Beautiful tortas.